Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make several adjectives in Arabic. So let's see how to make the adjectives. So first we will start with pretty or beautiful. Pretty or beautiful, we will start with the root. So we have always a root in Arabic and then we derive something from it. So the root is always for the masculine in adjectives. So the root for adjectives is masculine, always masculine. So if you said jameel, jameel, which is beautiful. So beautiful or good looking is jameel, jameel. And by the way, it's also a man's name. So it's a guy's name also in Arabic. So you can use jameel, jameel, it's for males, which is beautiful. And when you want to say jamila, jamila, then it is beautiful, pretty, but for a woman, for a girl. So again, jameel, it's a guy's name. And Jamila, it's a woman's name also, and also it means beautiful, pretty. And by the way, my grandmother's name was Jamil. Second adjective is going to be Kabeer. Kabeer is big. Kabeer is big. Kabeer is masculine. The root is always masculine. So when you say Kabeer means big, and also means old for people. So if you wanted to say he's old, so you would say هو كبير. هو كبير, so he's old. But if you wanted to use that for the feminine, for a girl, for a woman, so you would say كبيرة, or for a feminine thing. So for the feminine things, it's كبيرة, and for a woman, if she's old, you would say هي كبيرة, هي كبيرة. You won't say هي قديمة, or هو قديم. قديم means old literally, but for things, not for people. Pay attention. So this is our third adjective for today. The adjective is قديم, قديم, or if you can pronounce it أديم, أديم in the spoken. So you can use قديم and أديم in the spoken, but in the standard you have to use the qa sound. So قديم, قديم means old, but for things, not for people. So old, so هذا قديم, this is old, هذا قديم. And for a feminine thing, it would be هذه قديمة, هذه قديمة. So when you say هي قديمة or هذه قديمة, then it means that this thing is old, not people. So for people, we don't use literally the word old. You use big. For old people, you use big people, not old people. This is the difference. So now, you can say دمشق, دمشق قديمة. So دمشق قديمة. دمشق is Damascus and قديمة is old. دمشق قديمة. So the city of Damascus is old. You can say also دمشق مدينة كبيرة. دمشق مدينة كبيرة. دمشق is a big city. دمشق مدينة قديمة. دمشق مدينة قديمة. So دمشق is an old city. دمشق is an old city. دمشق مدينة وقديمة. So big and old. Last adjective for today is صغير. صغير. صغير is small. صغير. And for, this is the root, this is masculine. For the feminine, it would be صغيرة. صغيرة. Again, صغير for masculine. صغيرة for feminine. صغير وصغيرة. And if you wanted to say, my city's name is جبلة. جبلة is a small city, so I would say جبلة or جبلة in the standard. جبلة مدينة صغيرة. جبلة مدينة صغيرة. جبلة مدينة صغيرة. So this is like جبلة or جبلة is a small city. جبلة is a small city. Newyork, Newyork مدينة كبيرة. Newyork مدينة كبيرة. Or you could say California, California ولاية. ولاية is the state. California ولاية كبيرة. California ولاية كبيرة. أمريكا بلد كبير. بلد كبير. So بلد is the country. Country. And country is masculine in Arabic. So we would use كبير, not كبيرة anymore, because ولاية is feminine. So obviously you will use كبيرة, but when it comes to بلد, it's masculine, so you would use كبير. So أمريكا بلد كبير. أمريكا بلد كبير. So this is another example. So for example, هذه بنت جميلة. هذه بنت جميلة. So this is a good looking girl. This is a pretty girl. هذه بنت جميلة. Or هذا بيت كبير. So this is a big house. هذا بيت صغير. This is a small house. هذا بيت جميل. This is a pretty house. So you are entering someone's house and they are Arab, so you can just say هذا بيت جميل, or you can just use بيت جميل. So this is a nice house. This is a good house. This is a nice, beautiful house. So this is a good way of saying like you have a good house. You have a nice house. I like it. So this is how would you use the adjectives in general. So when you see a word, an adjective that ends with an a, which is the t marbuta at the end, which is the circled ta, you can always like 90% of the times you can say that this is a feminine thing or feminine adjective. So of course you can use that in your daily life. And this is all for this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please go subscribe my channel and see you later. Bye.